So I absolutely love adding pomegranate to salads and such this time of year, and it's not as hard as you might think to get the little arils out of here. Let me show you. So there are two ends to the pomegranate. This one that kind of looks like a flower, because it was a flower, that's the one you want to take off first. So basically I'm just trying to get to see where the lines are, and then I'm going to kind of score lightly where those lines are. So when I say score, I'm just gonna kind of lightly press in with my knife here. Now that I've got little cuts all the way around, we're gonna take a nice clean bowl of water here and just kind of gently break this open. And the cool thing about using the water is the part that you don't want to eat floats to the top. So you can just kind of zhuzh it and the arils will sink to the bottom. You can absolutely buy pre-seeded pomegranates at the grocery store. I don't feel like they taste as good. They've got kind of a weird flavor. Certainly in a pinch they'll do, but they really do taste better if you do it yourself. So I'm just gently rubbing with my thumb to detach them from their skin. So we're all done. That took me about 5 minutes. And as you can see, the kind of peel has risen to the top. So you can either pick it out with your hands or take a strainer, but that just comes right up to the top. Scoop it right off. And then at the bottom of our bowl, we have all of these beautiful arils. So in total, I got that many from a pomegranate. So that's a fair bit from one fruit. If you haven't had them before, they are kind of tart, kind of sweet. They do this lovely popping sensation in your mouth. And then they've got that crunchy seed in there. They add such a lovely texture. For me, the texture is so complimentary on like a good hearty green salad. Absolutely love adding these, but I know plenty of people who just snack on them all day, and that's probably what I'll do with these. Try pomegranate, it's so good.